Yeah, she's superior.
What the fuck?
Slushy. Bro, stop drinking my damn slushy.
The following program is rated TV 14 DLV. It is not intended for children. Viewer discretion is advised.
Let's go. Hey. Bruh. 22 kills on me? In there, watch out. They're all wearing the same skin. Stupid.
Yeah, that's why she did. Ah, bitch.
Watch out.
Behind you.
Oh my god.
The other one's flying in. That's their last teammate. If we kill them, they will all die. Come here.
Flying it.
Got him.
Good shit.
Come back.
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Damn.
Told you to come back.
Nah, I tried to. I just couldn't.
Yeah, he did get revived. You were right.
Oh.
There's hella ops.
Nice. It's just one team. Nice. Kill, man. Wait, is that your walkies?
Let's go!
Yes, sir!
God. 5 kills on me.
Go. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Well, I
Ooh,
mean,
a supply drop. Hopefully I get a sniper.
I mean,
There's people there. Help.
I know his credit card number, so I don't really care.
Oh my god!
That shit though. She's gonna find it tomorrow, man.
I think this is a real girl. It is. I've never seen that name before. She uses ass. Oh, they're so bad.
Oh no, I can't reach it. Never mind.
I made him stop. That's all that matters. I don't know why he stopped.
I tried to reach my quest. I thought the fucking lightsaber don't make you take raw damage. I fucking forgot how that balloon fucking shit. That shit's an ass argument though. Yo, he tried to figure that shit.
Their entire team is bad. Oh my fucking god.
We're gonna have to go to the island over there, because I see shit, but I don't know if there's people or not.
I knocked someone. Just. Bitch, you stole my name, you little fucker.
Shut up.
Knocked someone.
Okay. I see something right here that I'm just gonna take.
Fuck.
What is the storm doing?
This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Bye, stupid. Let's go!
What the heck?
Damn! I got both of them hoes.
Fucking low, and then I can't fucking build. The game is literally lagging out of its ass.
That nigga's lagging
This
too.
game is fucking broken.
Damn.
What the fuck?
Sit
Pull
down,
it back.
stupid. What an idiot. Stupid.
Oh my god, I'm trying to help. Can I get help here, please? I'm gonna have to get rebooted. Oh my fucking god.
Oh my god, I need help. I knocked one. I knocked. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! They're trash. They're literally trash.
Wow.
Spicy squad wipe. Spicy squad wipe.
Holy shit. Y'all sure y'all wanna get in this? Cause I ain't gonna lie. Niggas look tough.
Knocked one.
Wow, he left right on time. Wow, he was so lucky.
Another one for that.
He was
Okay,
lucky.
I've been
Nah, do you think?
one of them. I don't know which one it was.
Good kill, boy.
Get the fuck out of my sight.
Knocked one.
I need help. If you could help me. I need help. Oh, I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
He's dead. Got him. That guy was really bad. Dumbass.
Yeah, hit them shits.
Do you have like any fucking, I don't know.
Got him.
There you go.
Get the fuck down, stupid. Oh,
He got
died.
shit.
What? No, don't let me die, don't let me die.
You're good.
No, they're meat riding.
Yes.
Yeah. What? Oh, okay.
Out of here, stupid.
But you was right.
Got him.
You did all nice, you got them.
Oh, there's another one right here. Got him.
Oh, that
Let's
was
go.
a direct hit in the head too. Dang, that was a good shot, man.
Jeez,
luck.
my guy.
Who the fuck is flocking at you? Get off my man's, bitch. Yeah, he about to die. Look at him. Sit the fuck down, pussy. Get that nigga too. Get that nigga too. Where'd he go?
I hit now.
That nigga is mad low. He's trying to dip. Sit down, bitch. Oh, he right here. He is getting revived. He got revived and instantly died again. That nigga's ass.
We should go get the treasure.
You need to eat
chest.
something instantly.
Oh, of course you went out. Oh, I'm about to die.
Told you to come over here. Oh wait, I got him.
I am over here.
I'm gonna get these people right here.
Alright, bro.
Ultimate fucking third party. Sit the fuck down, pussy.
Somebody's using a Deku.
That's me. Got him.
Alright, bro.
She's so confused.
I'm behind you! Stop!
You guys are let me die.
Got him.
Don't die. Wait, did you die?
No, bitch, I did not. Well, fuck you, I
died.
Got one.
I did not do anything.
Oh my god, good job. I am
Got
so
the other
proud
one.
of you. Come here!
The air. They're all in the air. Now they're on the ground.
I hit one.
So did I. Got him.
Shit,
Alright,
someone
now
shit.
we're being shot at by this dweeb in the balloon.
Where?
He's no longer an issue.
What are you talking about?
They both are mad dumb.
Can somebody res? Oh. Oh.
Got him.
Yes, get me, res. Oh, over here. One more.
I can't really
two more.
because I gotta fight people.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, I knew it's short. Like everything else I knew was short.
Stupid.
Nope. Not today, bruh. I am not doing this shit today. Oh my god! Okay, well. I have to heal. So you gotta. How much is the storm?
Let's
anyway?
go.
Oh, never Never mind. It's not important now.
Somebody slid on? Wait, no. That's just a fucking bot that I didn't even shoot at, but wanted to shoot at me, you little stupid ass.
Please slide.
Okay. If not, I was trying to cover.
Oh my god.
Running.
Oh my god, I'm the best player of all time.
Alright, man. They got many fucking pads.
Oh my god.
Oh, this yours?
He's dead.
Come on, gang! Don't let this nigga finish me! Rocking shit even more, cause I would just learn how to use the fuck out of that shit, bro. I didn't know you can actually like aim that shit when you actually in mirror, like target.
Oh my god.
So that shit kind of do.
What the fuck?
Good shit.
Careful.
He's dead.
Launch people across the map.
Good shit.
Knocked one. Knocked two.
I'm here. Alright, good shit.
Watch out, there's one more. Gracie. Stupid.
Let's
Fuck is wrong with this nigga?
That was a doggy ass game.
Our bounty is also this way, so we're finna encounter some more people.
Sit your bitch ass down, nigga. Where your teammates at?
Niggas right here. There's niggas right here in the middle of the water. Yep, let's go.
Pop out, pop out.
95. Perfect.
Stupid. Got them niggas out the fucking paint, nigga.
Yo,
Are you dumb?
Did he shoot me, bruh?
Did you guys know that there's a fucking vault?
No, literally what?
Let's go!
Bro, you're dead.
Holy! Squad wipe. Get your asses in here. We just got some fucking lit shit.
Bro, you were popping off.
Good looks.